Excuse me, I am very sorry to disturb you, but I think you might be sitting in my seat.
Oh, really? I am so sorry. Let me check my boarding pass again. I am quite sure I have seat 12BB. Yes, look, it says 12B right here.
That is very strange. My boarding pass also says 12B. Maybe there is a mistake in the system, or we are on the wrong row.
Let me see. I put my heavy bag in the overhead locker already. I hope I don't have to move everything.
Good morning, everyone. Is there a problem here? Is everything okay?
Hello. Yes, we have a small problem. We both have the same seat number on our boarding passes. We are both 12B.
Oh, I see. That does not happen very often. May I please see both of your boarding passes for a moment?
Here is mine. It is an electronic ticket on my phone.
And here is my paper ticket.
Ah, I see exactly what the problem is. It is an easy mistake to make. Sir, you have seat 12B, which is right here. But, Madame, your ticket says seat 21B. You probably saw the numbers 2 and 1 and thought it was 12.
Oh my goodness, you're right. I am so sorry. I read the numbers backwards. I am very tired today.
No problem at all. It happens to everyone. Don't worry about it.
I feel so silly. Now I have to take my heavy suitcase out of the overhead locker and move to the back of the plane.
Do not worry, madam. Let me help you with your bag. It looks quite heavy. Please follow me. I will show you where row 21 is and help you find a space for your luggage.
Thank you so much for your help. And I am very sorry again for the confusion.
It is perfectly fine. Have a good flight.
And you, sir, please make yourself comfortable. Would you like a blanket or a pillow before we take off?
A pillow would be great, thank you.